How are we doing, guys? First of all, I just want to apologise for not posting any videos for such a long time. We wanted to get this out in March, and we've shot this a few times now, but obviously the world just keeps flipping upside down. So anyway, at the end of our last video in London Cocktail Week, we said we had a big announcement, and I'll come straight to the point. I don't have the bar anymore. It's nothing to do with the lockdown or the pandemic. We didn't go out of business. We made the decision to sell it towards the end of last summer, so I could spend more time with the family and concentrate on other projects. So that's great for me, but obviously that means we don't have a bar to shoot videos in anymore. However, I do have something to show you. Welcome to the Bonneville Hideout, the new home of our YouTube channel. Down here, we're going to be continuing to explore all the great cocktails you come to love and expect from the Bonneville Cocktail Collection.
And for all you hardcore fans and everyone who wants to take a deep dive into the world of cocktails and everything cocktail and booze related, we've just launched our sister channel, The Distilled Truth. Over there, we're going to be tasting and breaking down all the drinks that we make here at the Bonneville Cocktail Collection, as well as having a closer look at all the ingredients and garnishes we use. We're going to be doing spirits and drinks reviews. We'll be testing out cocktail equipment and glassware, doing book reviews, podcasting, as well as giving you an exclusive behind the scenes look at how we do things here at the Bonneville Cocktail Collection, including how we built this new bar.
So make sure you subscribe to The Distilled Truth and the Bonneville Cocktail Collection if you haven't already. Hit that notification button whilst you're there, and all that's left for me to say is, what are you drinking?